Hey Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Ever noticed your phone lagging just when you're expecting it to run smoothly? That frustrating delay while flipping between apps could soon be a thing of the past, thanks to Samsung. The game's about to change. Some Galaxy devices have already started getting the One UI 7 update, but now, all eyes are on what's coming next, One UI 8. The buzz around it is getting louder, and early leaks are revealing some exciting stuff. And one major improvement? It's something you'll notice daily: animations. A recent video shared by Tipster Gamer on our shows off One UI 8's brand new animation engine. This time, it doesn't stutter or freeze when you open multiple apps one after the other. The transitions stay smooth, even when you're multitasking like crazy. Something One UI 7 clearly struggled with. In the clip, the tipster fires up several apps with just seconds in between. And guess what? Every animation flows perfectly. No lag, no weird pauses, no crashing into each other. Whether you're slowly launching apps or tapping them like rapid fire on the Galaxy Z Flip 6, One UI 8 handles it like a pro. This is a big step forward in animation responsiveness and the overall feel of using your phone. With these buttery smooth transitions, One UI 8 promises a slicker and way more enjoyable experience for Galaxy users. This update isn't just smart, it's seriously sleek. But it doesn't stop there. Samsung is also stepping up its game when it comes to security. One of the standout features coming with One UI 8 is USB blocking. Yep, a big deal. It's something Google's baking into Android 16 with advanced protection, and Samsung's expected to follow suit. Here's how it works. If your phone is locked, no USB device can connect to it or transfer data. Simple as that. Not until you unlock the phone. That means if someone tries to mess with your phone using a USB tool, whether it's lost or stolen, it's game over for them. The USB port stays inactive until you decide to plug in and unlock it. And if anyone even tries something sketchy, your phone will flash a warning about suspicious USB activity. Clean, simple, and seriously secure. It's about time. And yeah, it's not just the protection that's getting a glow up. Samsung's going all in on design too. According to leaks from Techel, One UI 8 is bringing a fresh new look to the interface, starting with redesigned dialog boxes. They're ditching those old-school solid backgrounds and replacing them with a high-density blur effect. It's subtle, but it makes the UI feel way more modern and high-end. So instead of just flipping between dark and light mode, your phone's visuals are going to feel smoother, more polished, and straight-up futuristic. And judging by the leaked screenshots, it's looking clean, like, really clean. With upgraded visuals and smarter protection, One UI 8 might just be Samsung's most exciting update yet. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to try it out. What do you think? Are you hyped for One UI 8? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.